Hi. Today is going to be a picking video, my first challenge lock, and as promised, the challenge lock is going to be from 5qu1n7. 5qu1n7, thank you for sending it to me. It's a 5qu1n7 challenge lock number 6, and it's called Checkmate. It's working very smooth. And I'll try my best to pick it. So here's the bidding. Low highs. So it's a 5-pin key. Yeah, 5-pin. So let me start. I'll try to pick it counterclockwise, the first diamond, first start, and we'll see how it goes. First nothing, second one it's binding and clicks, small clicks, third nothing, fourth nothing, fifth nothing again. So the second one is giving me a little bit of play, and another click for second one, pin number 2, and now 3 it's binding, or maybe not, 4 5 nothing, again 1 nothing, 2 it's I think it's at 3 nothing, 4 click and turn on the core, 5 click and deep full set, so 1 click, 2 nothing, 4 nothing, 5 nothing, 1 and it's open. It's been 1 that was giving me a hard time, so I picked my first challenge lock. 5qu1n7, thanks for pinning this lock and sending it to me. I have a key so I can lock it and try to open it, so let me I'll try to disassemble it now. I'm thinking that there are serrated pins and 2 spools minimum and a couple of serrated, as far as I can feel them. And maybe the last one was T-pin, but I'm not sure, we'll see. So I will shim it just to be sure. And here's my follower. It's very tight, come on, yeah. So everything is working fine, everything needs to be picked, so let me 1 standard, 2 standard, 3 standard, 4 standard, and 5th one is a standard, but they're not only a standard, they're tempered, so on both sides. Interesting. Maybe. Yeah, I'm happy that I did not fall in this trap on oversetting. So 5 standard, tempered, nothing done on the core. Yeah, let me go through the pins now. First is oh, this is from the sparrows. Oh, and that's why he called them checkmate. This is the pawn from the sparrows chess pins. I think it was like this, and that's why I feel a tip-in from the first pin number 1. Second one, it's rated. Yeah, nicely done. Let me dump the springs. They're giving me a hard time. Give me a second. Spring 1. Oh, jump on me. Sorry, guys. Spring 1, spring 2. It's the same as spring 1. Let me see the pin number 3. It's rated on top and spool in the middle, so I will call it rated spool. Yeah. Here's the spring, the same as first 2. Let me go from. Come on, no, jumped out. This is the another chess piece, and the last one, yeah, that's why he called checkmate. Very, and the springs are the same. Let me check the chambers. As far as I can see, nothing is done. Yeah. Let me double check. Yeah, everything is stock. So that's my first challenge lock. Pick and got it. Queen checkmate number 6. So thanks Queen for pinning and sending it to me. And guys, have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.